Just the speeding, and then like I said, you almost. So what happened when you almost hit the curb when you're making that right turn? So I want you to use your front foot planted. You're going to use your rear foot to take a series of small steps. Okay. I'll hurry so you can get out here. Okay. Able to make your calls and all and stuff. Able to make your calls and okay.
Location: Rio Rancho, New Mexico, Sandoval County. Time: early Sunday morning, approximately 3:00 a.m. Incident: DWI, traffic stop, field sobriety, testing arrest, and implied consent refusal.
And then just 35 and 25 and. Like real abrupt stop at the stop sign, and then really abrupt stop here. You're like right here, huh?
I was over at McDonald's with them.
Oh, cool. Got it? Okay, cool. So like I said, officer, any other set your rate?
Yes.
Okay,
Sorry,
it's
love.
speeding.
Could you say that again? I didn't quite catch. Sorry.
Calls you love. Yeah, just the speeding, and then like I said, you almost. So what happened when you almost hit the curb when you're making that right turn? You just like took it too hard or something, or you? Okay. I'm gonna check your eyes real quick. Mind stepping out real quick? Okay. Does your vehicle just shut off normally, or does it stay?
Whenever you
Kind of hangs out.
It turns on.
Okay. Let's come back over here. And you said one Bud Light an hour ago, or is that all you've had tonight? Okay. Any history of traumatic brain injuries at all?
No.
Okay. Any kind of serious head injury history at all?
No.
Okay. Any kind of physical limitations for walking or balancing?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and stand my flashlight on right here. Now I'll just have you take your glasses off you, and then you could hang them on your shirt or hang on to them, whatever's easier for you. Anything inside your mouth at all?
No.
Open up your mouth. Flip up your tongue. How old are you?
39.
39? Okay. So go and put your feet together for me. Heel to heel, toe, keep your hands to your side. Just stay in that position when you're doing this test. Okay. So tip my finger right here. I want you to follow it with your eyes only. Keep your head completely straight. Just keep staring at it out there. Just keep looking at it. Like keep looking back at me.
I don't know.
Okay. Just make sure you're focusing around the tip of my finger.
Sorry.
Okay. No, you're fine. And just want to go all the way out. Just make sure you're focusing right on the tip of my finger. Okay.
How long do you do this for?
Just to get everything done I'm supposed to do. We're almost done now. Okay. Just focus right. You can put your glasses back on. And you said no kind of physical limitations for walking balancing at all?
No.
Okay. You feel good, your shoes are tight and everything for some walking balancing tests? Okay. So what I want you to do for this next test is, you can back up just a little bit. Okay. For this test, just go ahead and imagine a straight line on the ground here, okay?
Okay.
That imaginary straight line is going to be about the width of your foot. Go ahead and put your left foot on that straight line. Don't begin walking yet. I'm just going to give you directions, okay? I just want you to get in this position here. Right foot in front of your left, you're touching your toe. That's your left in front of your right, and use your right in front of your left. There you go. Hands to your sides. Just go and remain in that position until I tell you to begin the test, okay? So whenever I tell you to begin the test, I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on that imaginary line for me. Go watch me demonstrate for you. 1, 2, 3. I took 3, you're going to take 9. On your 9th step, I want you to use your front foot planted. You're going to use your rear foot to take a series of small steps. Turn yourself back around. Then you're going to take, don't begin yet. You're going to take 9 more heel-to-toe steps back, okay? 1, 2, 3. Nope, like I said, not until I tell you to begin. So it's important during this test to look down at you look down at your feet, count out loud, keep your hands to your sides, and keep, count out loud with every single step, okay? Do you know how many steps you're going to take?
9.
Yep. So 9 down to the turn that I showed you, 9 more back, okay? So again, look down at your feet, count out loud, keep your hands to your sides. Any questions? Okay, don't stop the test, you can complete it in its entirety. If you have no questions, maybe doing whenever you're ready. What made you do it backwards?
You told me to.
I didn't say to do it backwards. I said to do the turn that I showed you, and then 9 more back. In my demonstration, I turned around with that turn and did. Yeah.
I don't know. I thought you said that.
Okay. Go ahead and put your feet together again for me, heel to heel, toe to toe. Keep your hands to your sides. Just stay in that position for me until I tell you to begin the test, okay? So for this test, you're going to choose a foot of your choice, your right or your left, whatever you're more comfortable with. You're going to raise that foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, with the toe pointing outward. I want you to look down at your left foot and count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop the test. I'll tell you when to begin. So it's important during this test, you look down at your left foot, count out loud, keep your hands to your sides, keep your legs fully straight next to them. Do you have any questions? Okay, which foot are you going to raise?
Right.
Yep, I'll tell you when to begin. Okay. If you have no questions, you need to go whenever you're ready.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008,
Just keep going, do the best you can.
2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Take a stop. What's your highest level of education?
What?
What's your highest level of education?
I have, I'm a nurse practitioner, FNP, master's.
Okay, master's. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So obviously you know the English alphabet. You can count up to 100.
Huh?
You can count up to 100 and you know the English alphabet.
Yes.
Okay. I know there's silly questions, but that's good. So what I want you to do is recite the alphabet, starting with the letter G as in George, and then the letter T as in Tom. So just G through T, and correct or going forward without saying
So I can't start from A.
no. G to T.
G, H, I, wait. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Count backwards, starting with the number 72, ending at the number 51.
72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 59.
Do you remember what number I told you to stop at? No, 51. And so you're saying that you just had one Bud Light an hour ago?
Yeah.
And how big of the Bud Light was it?
Maybe 16 ounces.
16
I guess
ounces.
that's two. Yeah.
Okay. So I have what's called a portable breath test, and I know the results of it can't be used against you in court, but I have to use it for my investigation. I won't participate in that.
No.
No? Okay. Go and turn around, place hands on your back, and place your hands for the okay? And the reason I just offered you that is because, like, your statement of having one beer is not consistent with the impairment that I'm seeing, okay? You want your phone to go with you?
No.
Okay. Anything else from your vehicle that you want to go with you? Okay.
Where's your phone at in there?
I don't know if it's in my pocket.
Okay.
But I
Up to
can't
you.
leave it because my car it turns on with it, so it's my key
Oh,
for the Tesla.
I've got 4115. Is there someone nearby that can pick up your vehicle so I don't have to tow it?
No, I have to have my phone for my car. I don't.
Oh, it
nobody
won't
else.
even turn on without it?
No.
Okay. Alright, let's come over here. You just want to turn to face the unit here? I just gotta take everything out of your pockets. If you can separate your feet. Have you been arrested before?
No.
Okay. There's nothing else on you? You don't have anything in your back pockets or anything? Okay. Where's your phone at?
It might be in the car.
In the car? Okay. I'll put it for you. Put your phone back in there too. I'll leave these in there as well. Good. Let's come over here and I'll put your phone for you, okay? Take a seat.
You mind sitting up for me? Refresh your sitting.
Okay.
Sit up one more time. And scoot to your right. Thank you. You're good.
I'll grab your phone right now, so I just have to take you over to the police department, okay? And I'll get you out of handcuffs, give you your phone and all that stuff, okay? Get your seatbelt off. Step out. Just go out door. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. And diagonal to the open the left. Yeah, let's open the left here. I'm saying the left. All the way down. Hold on 1 second. Now come this way. Let me grab you a chair. Let's go back to that same spot. That's what you're seeing in that other one. There you go. I'll read you this real quick, okay? So listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for DUI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit your breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, laboratory technician, or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test or breath test?
No.
Okay. I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year. If you are convicted in court of driving under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you now agree to be tested or no?
No.
Okay.
Like a lawyer.
Okay. Your right to speak to an attorney or remain silent does not apply to the requirement of New Mexico law that you take a breath test. But you don't have to take it if you don't want to, okay? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I just have to run the machine. If you change your mind, let me know. If not, I just log it and then we'll move on, okay? So yeah, from here I have to take you over to the Sandoval County Jail, but they do arraignments on Sundays, so you're going to be out today at some point. It'll be pretty fast, and then you'll be able to call for a ride from there.
I'll be out tonight.
Yeah, because today's Sunday technically, so they do arraignments on Sundays. So you've never been arrested before, so you should be out pretty quick.
Yeah, I don't know how this works.
Yeah.
My life's in jail.
Okay, well that's good. Yeah, so basically I'll take you over there, they intake you, and then you'll talk to the judge over like the little video thing, and then you just get a court date later on, and then your attorney can go to your court dates and deal with all the rest. So it's ready. If you change your mind, let me know, okay? And you'll time out about a few minutes, and then I'll get you out of the handcuffs, give your phone in the front. Okay, I'll take them off. What's in it? come in this next room here. And I'm going to swing around. The blue boxes are everything. So you should have to take off any jewelry that you have. And there's nothing else in there, right? Okay. And then, are you wearing anything on your jacket or just your jacket? Okay, yeah.
Is there a remote in here?
It's all in your purse. Because I asked you over there if you want anything else but your phone. You said no, just your phone. So I put everything inside your purse, closed it, put it on the floor, and put your jacket over here. Yeah, because then you, and too, if you have like cash or anything like that, they like take it. And
My card to my Tesla is in there, and that turns on my car.
Okay.
So
We can't leave it there, so we had to tow it from there. So I'm gonna let you know where it's at. It's here in Rio Rancho. We had to tow it. Yeah, we can't leave it just up in the road like that. So the other officer stayed with your vehicle for him to come pick it up, and it's here in Rio Rancho. So once you get released, you can just go pick it up.
tonight I can do that?
Once you get released, yeah, just call them. I'm going to give you the information of who to call and where it's at, and then you just go over there and pick it up. Because you have your registration and everything here too, so they know that you're and you're put down as the registered owner of it. So the information here, here's your phone. So you'll just have to take off your shoes, a belt if you're wearing one, and your jacket.
Take out my shoes?
Yeah, just for here, because it's our policy, because I'm going to place you into a holding cell, and it's going to be about 30 minutes to do your paperwork, and then we take you over.
I'm going to go into a cell.
Yeah, it's a holding area, yeah. Yeah.
Is there someone in there?
No, you're going to be by yourself. Yeah. This isn't jail, it's just the police department, but we have to put you in the holding area while I do the paperwork. It only takes about 30 minutes, and then you're going to be taken over to the San Diego County jail. You can put those in there. And, do you have anything under your jacket, you said?
No.
Okay, and then you just have to be down in single layer clothing. It's just our policy.
I just take this off?
Yeah, you do, yeah. That's what you just put it on. Nothing else on you that I missed?
No.
Okay. You can grab your phone. And then we'll swing around over here and you'll just hang out. You can call whoever you need to call, just don't call dispatcher number 1. So I'll be checking out if you need anything. So give me about like 30, 45 minutes, all your paperwork will be done, and we'll get you in. And then you should be released pretty fast. Okay. Let's read this door. You have one that's cracked. Right in here. I'll be with you shortly, okay? You okay? Be with you shortly, okay? I'll hurry so you can get out of here, okay?
A few moments later.
Able to make your calls and all that kind of stuff?
Huh?
Were you able to make your calls and everything? Okay. Do you have any kiddos or no?
I do.
You do? Okay, how old are they?
10.
Okay, are they with somebody?
Yeah.
Okay.
I should my jacket back on.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. Are they with like a... Yeah. With your dad? Okay.
Yeah.
You only have a lot right now. But you know, say,
Is this off or is it on still? Okay. What do you have charge?
Can I?
Yeah, you can put your shoes on, yeah. I'm just going to put your jewelry and all your stuff in here because we're going to make you take everything out. That's what you're so I'll keep everything in. Well, so they have to intake you, and then then you probably see the judge today because but it's not going to be like immediate, but like, it won't be long.
So I'm going to spend the night, like, here? Or?
Well, it's already almost 3 a.m. So, no, not here. I'm going to take you over to San Diego County Jail, and they'll put you in a holding area until you see the judge, and you'll get released from there. But they do
In a
arraignments
cell
on.
like that?
I've never seen the cells in the back, but it's going to be a cell, yeah. Up until it's like a holding area to get released. I could put all your other stuff in here. I'll swing it up here. So this is copies of all your paperwork, so this is going to go with you, okay? So make sure you read everything once you get released. This is where your vehicle's at. I put the name there, there's the phone number and the address, okay? I will, so it's a little bit more comfortable for you, I'll handcuff you in the front. Once we get over there, I do have to just put them right behind you just to walk you in, and they take them right back off because it's their policy. So they won't allow you inside unless you have them behind you, okay?
What time do I see the judge?
I don't dictate that. I have no idea. But like I said, they do arraignments on Sundays, so hopefully you won't be there long. But I leave from there. I don't hear when you see the judge, but I know they do arraignments on Sundays. But hopefully fast. So I just want to get you over there so you can get intake, and then hopefully you can ask them that once we get over there, the COs and stuff, because they probably have better knowledge about that.
I mean, like, I need to go pick up my daughter too, so I don't know, like,
When are you supposed to pick her up?
like, well, they're at a hotel. My aunt came down from Las Vegas, New Mexico.
Okay.
We're having a sleepover, so I'm assuming like 11 is checkout.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, they give you a phone call once you get up there, and then they give you phone calls daily. So you can ask them that, and then once you call them, you can let them know the situation. I'm not sure when you're going to get released. I know that you're probably good chance today. It's already Sunday, and then absolute worst case scenario is going to be Monday morning. But I'm hoping today.
I have work on Monday.
I know, and I don't, like I said, I don't dictate that. I'm hoping you're out today because I heard people that don't have like crazy criminal history, you can just get released pretty quick. Okay.
I can't just like miss work.
Yeah, you can talk to them once we get up there about it because they'll probably have more information. But I know that they do arraignments on Sundays as well, so hopefully you'll be out pretty quick. Okay. So we get you up there, like I said, I'll handcuff you in the front, and then they'll take you in the class. And if they're not released till Monday, are they able to keep the kiddo till then or no? Okay. I know this is a lot and it's a crazy situation, but yeah, it's kind of out of my control. So hopefully that you get released right away. I know people like I've arrested for like 7 felonies that are out like hours later. So, I don't think you should have an issue, hopefully, okay? So I'll get you over there, that way you can talk to them about it, okay? But you were able to call them and let them know that you're the situation for now or no? Okay. So let's go through here. And he's right. Nope. We can see this one, sorry. Can you step that up? I'll do that one for what? So I just have to switch your cuffs behind you to walk you in, and I'll take them right back off, okay? So we have your storage right here. You'll face this wall right here. How's it going? Slamming doors. It's not closed. They have the lock, so.
I didn't see it there.
Do you have the building cost, or do you need to fill it up?
It's
Or
there, right?
Just
Yeah.
figure it in. All right.
Yeah. Yeah, it's on top. Or there you go.
Go ahead and put your hands up on the wall. Go ahead and give me your jacket. Are you wearing the shirt underneath you? Okay.
Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. A lawful stop requires reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Erratic driving, speeding, 35 miles per hour in a 25 miles per hour zone, and abrupt braking satisfy this threshold. Delaware v. Prowse, 440 U.S. 648 1979. Traffic stops must be based on individualized, documented suspicion. Pre-contact observations recorded on Bodycam are the constitutional foundation of this stop. NMSA 1978, Section 668102, driving while intoxicated. It is unlawful to drive while impaired to any degree by alcohol or with a blood alcohol concentration at or above 0.08. NHTSA Standardized Field Sobriety Testing Manual HGN accuracy approximately 88%. Walk and turn 79%. One leg stand 83%. Combined accuracy when all three tests are administered approximately 91%. Divided attention impairment in the prefrontal cortex. Alcohol suppresses the prefrontal cortex, which governs working memory and task monitoring. Failure to stop at an instructed endpoint is a reliable clinical indicator of this impairment. Probable cause under totality of circumstances. Multiple FST indicators, combined with inconsistency between stated consumption and observed behavior, establish the probable cause required for a lawful DWI arrest under New Mexico case. Law. NMSA 1978, Section 668107 Implied Consent Act. Any person who operates a motor vehicle on a New Mexico public highway is deemed by law to have consented to chemical testing of their breath or blood. Schmerber v. California 384, U.S. 7571966. Breath and blood extraction are not testimonial acts. The Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination does not bar compelled chemical testing. Sixth Amendment right to counsel attachment threshold. This right is offense-specific and attaches only after formal adversarial proceedings begin. Invoking counsel at the chemical testing stage has no legal effect on the testing obligation. Birchfield v. North Dakota, 579 U.S. 4382016. A breath test administered incident to a lawful arrest does not require a warrant. The Fourth Amendment search incident to arrest doctrine fully covers this procedure. NMSA 1978, Section 668111. Consequences of refusal to submit triggers. Automatic 1-year administrative license revocation. Upon DWI conviction, the court may impose an enhanced sentence due to the refusal. Graham v. Connor, 490, U.S. 3861989. The reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. Handcuffing during a lawful custodial arrest meets this constitutional standard. Key lesson: administrative and criminal proceedings are independent tracks. A not guilty verdict in criminal court does not reverse the administrative license revocation. Drivers must challenge the revocation separately through the Motor Vehicle Division within 10 days of arrest.